Hi friends, welcome to Technical Vijay channel. Today in this video we will see what are the methods to check whether Windows is activated or genuine or whether it is not activated. Activation of an Windows is a process that is built into Windows. It helps to verify that your copy of Windows is genuine or not. When your Windows is genuine, you are eligible to receive all product updates and product support from Microsoft. If it is not genuine, you still get some security updates but not much else. Also, you are regularly asked to activate your copy of Windows by providing a genuine product key. The activation checks are regularly made by Windows. The first time it takes place is when you install Windows or when you first use a newly purchased PC or device with Windows. Another time an activation check is made is when you attempt to download optional updates from Microsoft. Significant hardware changes inside your computer can also trigger automatic activation checks. Pirated versions of Windows may initially be activated and start working without any issues. But after a few weeks of use, it is likely that Microsoft activation checks identify this problem and you are going to be asked to activate your copy of Windows by providing a valid product key. Therefore, it is safe to assume that if your Windows is activated, most probably it is also genuine. However, even if your Windows is activated, you cannot be 100% sure that it is also genuine unless you get it from the trusted source. To educate users and make sure that they are not scammed into purchasing non-genuine hardware and software, Microsoft has created a portal with information on this topic. You can check out in the internet or by searching a Google and learn how to make sure that you always buy genuine software and hardware. There are some ways to validate whether the Windows is activated and genuine. So, you use Windows 10, Windows 7 or Windows 8.1 or you know that your Windows is activated and genuine. You need to know whether activated copies of Windows are also genuine. If the answer is yes, you can watch this video till the end. Okay. First method, here if you are using Windows 10, there is a quick and easy way for you to check its activation status. That is, start by opening the Settings app and then go to Update and Security. On the left side of the Windows, click or tap Activation. Then look on the right side. You should see the activation status of your Windows 10 computer or device. In our case, Windows 10 is activated. Windows 10 can also be activated using a product key that can be purchased in many ways. If you want to learn more about the activation methods and the type of licenses, you can see the documentation from Microsoft. This is one method. Second method, go to the System and Security and click or tap the System. The System section opens. Here you can see the information about your computer or device. Scroll down until you find the Windows Activation section. So in Windows 10 and Windows 8.1, you should see a line stating whether Windows is activated or not, just like in this type. Okay, in this way. In Windows 7, you should see the same line and also badge on the right that says ask for genuine Microsoft software. And the third method is an alternative way to quickly check whether your Windows 10 is activated or not is to simply open the Settings app, open it, and if you see a text that says Windows is not activated, activate Windows now. If it is displayed on the bottom, then it is clear that your Windows 10 is not activated. And in the final method, in this method, it works in all modern version of Windows is to check whether your Windows is activated from the command prompt or PowerShell. Launch the command prompt or the PowerShell and type the command, that is slmgr space /xpr, and then press enter. You should see a prompt saying whether your Windows machine is activated or not. Click or tap OK and you are done. If you want to see more about the slmgr command line tool and how it works, type this command without any parameters in the command prompt or PowerShell. Several prompts are being shown with information about all the parameters that can be used and what they can do. Here in this way, that is /ipk, that is product key. Install product key or replaces the existing one. And /ATO, that is activate Windows. In this way, here /xpr means expiration date for current license date. So in this way, these are the 4 methods to check whether your Windows 10 or your Windows PC is activated or genuine. Okay, hope this video is useful for you. Friends, if you are not subscribed to this channel, kindly do subscribe for getting more technical information like this. Thank you.